Grayson is having spaghetti dinner tonight. Yum, yum. Oh, you hear Daddy coming? Eat up the spaghetti. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. It's a spaghetti beard. Spaghetti sauce beard. Spaghetti sauce beard. Yum, yum, yum. Ooh, Grayson likes spaghetti. You want some more, baby? I'll give you some more. Here's a little more spaghetti. Let's see, Grayson. Eat it all up. He loves the spaghetti. Oh, yum, yum, yum. Good, huh? That piece looks a little long. You're doing a good job, my sweetie. Good job. Grayson loves to feed himself spaghetti. Good stuff. You got a little something there, buddy. Oh, there's Casey. Hi, Casey. Does Casey like spaghetti too? Does Casey want spaghetti dinner? Here, Casey. Spaghetti. Does Kiki like spaghetti? Does Kiki like spaghetti? Oh, yeah. There you go, Kiki. There's some spaghetti for you too. See? Everybody likes spaghetti.